On this video, I'm going to show you how to make Nkwobi step by step. If you don't know how to make Nkwobi, this video is for you. I'm going to show you simple way on how to make it. So keep watching. Step into the kitchen where the magic. So I'm starting off by cooking the cow leg. I'm going to be making use of my food processor. So with food processor, I'll cook it for 10 minutes. Next, I added water on it. And then I give it a little bit of stir. And then I add the maggi, salt, and nutmeg. So if you're using your pot to cook it, it's going to take a little bit of time. What you are going to do, instead of adding potash on it, just put spoon on inside the pot. It's going to help it to get soft on time. So I'll just lock the food processor and then set it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is how it looks. It cooked it very well and really soft at that. Whenever I'm cooking something hard, I always use my food processor to make my life easy. So next, guys, I'm going to keep it aside and then go in with my red oil on the pot. So I just want to melt the oil. I'm not going to let the oil hot. Instead of potash, I'm going to be making use of this ash. I've forgotten the name it is called. So I will sieve it out with water. It is gotten from palm tree. You burn it and this is how it's going to look. I'm going to sieve it out, throw the charcoal and the sand on it. Then next, I'm going to transfer it into the oil and then mix it until it becomes thick. Remember, you don't need hot oil for this. If your oil is dissolved, you don't need to warm it in the fire. So I'll just mix it until it becomes thick. Once it's thickened like this, I'm going to go in with my crayfish and pepper. And then next, I'll go in with my onions. I'll add maggi, salt, and African nutmeg. And then I'm going to mix them all together nicely. If you want to get the taste of this, make sure you add African nutmeg on it. So once I'm done mixing it, I'm going to go in with my cow leg and then I'm going to mix it up nicely. I will mix it until the sauce cover the cow leg nicely. So at this point, if your sauce is too thick, you can put it on top of the stove in a low heat and mix it up. So I went in with spring onions and then I added opaka on it. I'm going to mix it up nicely. And then that is it. Your Nkwobi is ready. Nkwobi is very easy to prepare. It doesn't take time to prepare. Only when cooking the cow leg that takes time if you are using stove or firewood. So once I'm done, guys, I'm going to be sprinkling spring onions on it. Reason because when I went to the market, I couldn't find Utazi here in the UK. So I ended it up with my spring onions. So if you have Utazi with you, I think that one is the best. So guys, take a look at it. It really came out nice. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you all on my next video. Bye.
The kitchen where the magic's made, from spicy jollof rice to fresh marmalade. Every flavor tells a story near and far.